Want to crush your academic goals and rise to the top of your class? It's not about cramming or all-nighters. It's about habits. 5 powerful ones that can skyrocket your performance. Top students don't just study, they own their time. Use the time blocking method. Divide your day into chunks dedicated to specific tasks. No multitasking, no distractions. 90 minutes of deep focus beats 3 hours of scattered effort. Success is built daily. Spend 10 minutes every evening reviewing what you learned. Repetition locks in memory. Bonus tip: summarize it in your own words. That's how masters are made. Don't just memorize, engage. Ask questions. Why does this work? How is it applied? The more curious your mind, the deeper your understanding. Knowledge isn't a checklist, it's a mindset. Top performers rest intelligently. Every 45 to 60 minutes, take a 10-minute break. Move your body, hydrate, breathe. No doom scrolling. Protect your energy like it's gold. You're the average of the 5 people you hang around. Surround yourself with motivated minds. Study together, grow together. Iron sharpens iron. Great grades aren't magic. They're momentum. Master these habits. Stay consistent. Your zenith? It's not a dream. It's your next destination. Start today.